With so many different manufacturers, models, and components, finding the right part for your project can often feel overwhelming. That's why SWISCO.com offers the free Part Identifier service. After following a simple 4-step process, our experts will help you identify your damaged hardware and come up with the best solution for the job at hand. The first step is to take photos of the damaged hardware. Seeing the part in question removed from its application and with no obstructions will ensure that we can see every important detail. The second step is to take accurate measurements. Measure your part and write down the dimensions. If you aren't sure exactly what to measure at first, don't worry. Overall size is helpful as a starting point, and our experts will be sure to guide you in taking more specific dimensions if necessary. Step 3 is to write a brief description of the issue you're facing. This is especially helpful if you aren't entirely sure which part needs to be replaced. Whether it's a window that won't stay open or a door that won't lock, providing an overview of the issue at hand will allow our experts to diagnose its source. Finally, the fourth step is to write out any stamps or manufacturing information you may find. This includes not just markings on the hardware itself, but any stickers, branding, or serial numbers you might have access to. With these 4 steps completed, you can submit your inquiry for our hardware experts to review. We'll get back to you with our recommendations after a brief research period. With a team of knowledgeable experts and an ever-growing catalog of hard-to-find parts, SWISCO.com is your one-stop source to help you finish your home project.